This question is from Jaydeep Shetty. He asked,
Yeah. Mm.
Hare Krishna Guruji, I have been chanting Krishna mantra every day at least 5 to 10 times from my school days. Recently, I am going through lots of health issues. I am suffering all because of one doctor who gave me wrong treatment just to get more money 10 years ago. But I am realizing that today. Why didn't Krishna save me from that doctor who ruined my health? Thank you, Guruji.
Hare Krishna. We cannot blame on anyone for anything. No one is doing anything. That's what we understand from Bhagavad Gita. It is not ourselves, it is not the doctor, and we cannot also blame Krishna also. Everything can be blamed only for about our ignorance. So, but Krishna always, if we fully depend on Krishna, if we believe in Krishna, all our problems, Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita very, very clearly that everything, all our problems, prasade sarva dukkhanam hani rasyopajayate. That's what Krishna is saying that. Sarva dukkhanam. Sarva dukkhanam means all dukkha, all distress, all problems, whether it's health issue or financial issues or any other issues, any other problems, anything we have. So all our problems will be completely taken care of. That's what Krishna says. Prasade sarva dukkhanam hani rasyopajayate. So how we can get that prasadam? How we can get that mercy of the Supreme Personality of God? We need to be 24/7, all the time in Krishna consciousness. That's what is very important. Manasamyamya matchito, you think about me, control your mind. Machittaga sarva durgani matprasadat tarishashi. So if you always think about me, then by my mercy, all your troubles will be solved. All your problems are solved. So that way, we need to think about Krishna all the time. That's what is very, very important. If we think about Krishna based on Bhagavad Gita, if we are able to control our senses, if we are able to control our mind, so Krishna will be able to fix all the problems. And our real problems are birth, old age, disease, and death. So that way, in this world, we cannot really blame on anyone for anything. It all happens. So, but because this is a dukkhalayam, this is a place of miseries. That's what is very important. This is a place of miseries. So that way we have to fully depend on Krishna under all circumstances. That is the main thing. So the more and more we take shelter ourselves into Krishna, then by Krishna's mercy, all our problems will be solved. So that way we need to 24/7 we should be in Krishna consciousness, either chanting Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, serving Krishna by distributing this knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, by studying Bhagavad Gita, understanding Bhagavad Gita, by depending on Krishna and everything. So that way Krishna's mercy, because in this world everyone will have some or other problems. We cannot expect here all our problems or material problems are solved just like that, because this is a dukkhalayam, it's a place for miseries. So here, and also it's a temporary place. So, but definitely Krishna is saying that if you take shelter unto me, I will take care of you very well. So because Krishna knows that we need to go to him. So Krishna gives us a healthy life. And first of all, we should be able to regulate all our activities. That is the main thing. If we are not able to regulate our activities, anyhow, everyone who is not able to regulate the activities, they are going to struggle and suffer. Because Krishna is saying that yogo bhavati dukkha yuktahara vigarasya yukta chestasya karmasu yukta swapnavabodhasya yogo bhavati dukkha. So that way, if we are able to sleep enough, like don't sleep too much, don't sleep too little, don't eat too much, don't eat too little. So eating, sleeping, and other activities, everything, if we are able to control, regulate, then by Krishna's mercy, all our distress will be minimized. Yogo bhavati dukkha. So that way we have to just fully depend on Krishna and then leave everything to Krishna, and he will solve it. He will take care of us. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Guruji.